Now we will discuss how to calculate the area by using the area formula in general without distance formula. Suppose we have a triangle ABC. This is A, this is B, this is C. Here it is x1 comma y1 coordinates, at B x2 comma y2, at C x3 comma y3. If these are the vertices, then the formula of area of triangle ABC is given by mod of half of x1, then if I write x1 inside the bracket y2 minus y3, plus x2, then y3 minus y1, plus x3, then y1 minus y2, close, and there is a sign of closing the mod. So what? Area of triangle of any triangle using direct formula can be calculated by what? By half, or you can shift this mod here also, because half is this. Why I am putting here a mod? The reason is area is always a positive quantity. Formula for calculating the area of the triangle is half x1, then inside y2 minus y3, x2, then y3 minus y1, then plus x3, y1 minus y2. This is the direct formula for calculating the area of triangle or quadrilateral or pentagon. First of all, question is what more use? If this area of any triangle comes 0, it means points are collinear. So there are two approaches with you to prove that points are collinear. A, if the sum of two small distance is same as the third, the largest distance, then collinear. Otherwise, if area of triangle obtained by using the three vertices comes 0, then also we say the points are collinear. If I take an example to find the area of a triangle, suppose we have a triangle PQR and its vertices are 3, 8, that is x1, y1, second vertex minus 4, 2, that is x2, y2, and third vertex 5, minus 1. If we want to find the area of this triangle using this formula, how we will calculate? This is area of triangle PQR is equals to half of mod of x1 3, y2 minus y3, that is minus 4 minus x1 y2 minus y3, y2 is 2 minus y3 is minus of minus 1, that become plus 1, x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2, x2 is what? Minus 4, x2 y3 minus y1, that is minus 1 minus 8, plus x3, x3 is what? 5, then x3 y1 minus y2, that is 8 minus 2. Using this formula, we can calculate this is half 2 plus 1, 3 3s are 9, minus 9 into minus 4 plus of 36, 8 minus 2, 6 5s are 30. So the answer will come out after addition, and this is 37.5 square units. We will say this is 37.5 square unit. If we simplify, we will get 75 upon 2, 37.5 unit. So there is the last result for the coordinate geometry, which is applicable for calculating the area of triangle. Suppose there is a quadrilateral, you want to find the area, you will separate this quadrilateral in two triangles, you will find the area of two triangles, you will join, you will add, you will find the area of quadrilateral by using this formula. Similarly, you can find the area of even pentagon, because a pentagon can be separated into three separate triangles, and when these three separate triangles areas will be clubbed, joined, added, then we will get the area of any pentagon, hexagon, decagon. As discussed that this formula is really very important, you have to remember. Method of remembering is half and mod. Half is outside, inside the mod, x1 outside the bracket, inside the numbering are x1, y2, y3, 1, 2, 3, then x2, y3 minus y1, that is 2, 3, 1 sequence. If it is 3, 3, 1, 2. So you can remember this formula, and this is applicable for solving various problems for finding the triangles of areas, pentagon, hexagon, decagon as discussed with you, and to also it is helpful in proving that whether 3 points are collinear or not, and certain number of uses you can observe whenever you will practice a large number of questions from any book for your better results.